Getting stuck with a dead battery is never fun, but having a reliable portable jump starter can save you from the hassle of waiting for roadside assistance. In this video, we'll be reviewing the best portable jump starters to keep you prepared for any situation. Whether you need a compact option for occasional use or a heavy-duty model for larger vehicles, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find the perfect jump starter to keep in your car and never get stranded again. Number 1. Clore Automotive JNC 3205. The Jump and Carry JNC 325 is our choice for best overall portable jump starter. We were impressed by the 24-inch cable length, the ease of use, and solid specs all across the board. The JNC 325 features just two easy buttons: power and override. During our jump test, we did need to press the override button, and the jump starter started the vehicle after that with ease. It comes with a soft carrying case that can store the cables, jumper starter, and charging cords. The JNC 325 boasts enough power to start just about any consumer vehicle on the road, is compact enough to store in the trunk, and features the specs you need to jump a vehicle anywhere, anytime. That's why it's our pick for the best portable jump starter. Number 2. Stanley J5C9D Power Station. If you're looking for a power station to jump your vehicle and top off the tire pressure, we recommend the Stanley J5C09D. It's not as portable as some of the other jump starters in this list, but it's fantastic for storing in the garage for jumping multiple vehicles. The Stanley A-Star Jump Test, starting the Eclipse without complaint. We were impressed with the easy-to-read control panel, nice clamps, and an adjustable light. The other attractive feature to a large power station like this is the included 120 psi air compressor, which can be used to fill tires, basketballs, or other inflatables. And with nearly 3 times the energy on board compared to our favorite portable unit, this do-it-all power station will jump just about anything in your garage. Number 3. Noco Boost Plus GB40. Portability is a key aspect when buying a jump starter, and it doesn't get much more compact than the Noco Boost Plus GB40. Weighing in at a measly 2 pounds, it's the smallest jump starter in our test overall. It's got decent power, an override button, an easy interface, and 2 work lights. It jumped our Eclipse once the override function was activated, but that one jump on a severely drained battery reduced the Noco's capacity from full to just 25%. With this size comes a lack of power storage. Its 30 watt-hours is the lowest in our test group. However, Noco does offer other, more capable units with as much as 3 times the energy on board. We wouldn't recommend banking on getting more than 1 or 2 jumps per charge with this. The leads are also extremely short, and the clamps are difficult to squeeze. But if you're short on space and want to have a portable jump starter around, this is the one to get. Number 4. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 70R. If you own a shop or a garage with a bunch of cars that don't care for cold morning starts, we believe the JNC 770R is the way to go. It's the simplest large jump starter to use thanks to its lack of a tire inflator function. It simply jump starts cars well and often. The thing we liked about the JNC 770R the most is the incredibly long leads and curved end clamps. This allows you to get at batteries that might be buried more than usual. The spill-proof lead-acid battery inside stores a wild amount of power. The Ford 10 wow it took to recharge was by far the highest in the test, which is why we recommend it for shops. However, it's expensive and quite heavy. We also noticed that it's not very stable. It tipped over while resting on the engine after starting it. But if you need a reliable jump starter with oodles of oomph, this is the one to get. Number 5. DeWalt DX Power Station. The DeWalt DXAJ14 Power Station features a 120 psi air compressor and weighs less than the other large power stations we tested. It fared well in our test, most notably in stability and clamp quality. But there was one issue: the beeping. This chatty Cathy beeped incessantly and obnoxiously to the point where we were looking forward to turning it off. It beeps when turned on, beeps when hooking up, and beeps that it needs recharging. The controls are also a bit messy, with too much information shown at once on the screen. If beeping doesn't bother you, this is a solid choice. But if you're like us, there are better, quieter options out there. The unit is also equipped with a digital air compressor with auto stop feature and a sure-fit nozzle that takes the guesswork out of how much air to put in. The LCD screen readout provides real-time information.